Hi everybody in YouTube land. I wanted to let you know that I received a message back from Rosa at the Diamond Paint Shop on the question that I had with the Mucha painting, The Moon. And of course it was like minutes after I put everything away. And so the question that I had was that there's a discrepancy. There's a few discrepancies on this canvas where one color is covering two symbols 3 times. So there's 3 colors, but they're each responsible for 2 symbols. And so I came across a fork in the road with the canvas where it was like, these colors look identical. Could it be that this is another place in the canvas where 2 symbols equal 1 color, but the bags were different numbers, but they looked like the exact color. So Rosa got back to me and she said, thank you for getting in touch. She did apologize. She made an error also that there are just 5 ABs in this kit and not 6. And the legend is accurate. The DMC code 939 with the up arrow symbol is a dark navy blue, and the DMC number 823 with the equal sign symbol is also dark navy blue. She verified this with the official DMC color guide, but they may look slightly different when applied to the canvas. So that does not bother me, because this is something else that I want to introduce to people that follow me. Is I waited a long time to make this purchase. This purchase came from Amazon, and it's Anne Kohlberg's Colors, a workbook. It was made for colored pencils, but she is a master in explaining color. So I just wanted to point this out to you. It's about color perception and color theory. Now, even though those 2 colors in the previous interview, I had said, I put them out in different light and I looked at them under the microscope, the magnifying glass that I have. And they looked exactly identical to me, and they may be, but with color, and the easiest way to explain is just let me show you this, is when you isolate a color, even this is going to change depending on what light you are looking at it under and where you are applying it, what color canvas or whatever. But when you take a color and you frame it in a different color, you see how the value changed a little bit here? It got a little bit darker. And when you change it again, look at how it looks. It's the same color block, but it looks 3 different shades depending on how you isolate it and how you surround it. And another reason why I wanted to bring this book into view, also with color, it's like if you do your own conversions and you pick your own colors, but also when I'm unboxing a kit and I'm showing everyone the drills that come with it, and I go back to edit, I'm like, these people must think I'm colorblind, because it looks nothing like what I'm describing. I'm like, oh my God, I'm saying that this drill is like a minty green, and it doesn't look like a minty green. It looks like a teal when it's transferring over into the video. So I just thought that was important. And so this book I got on Amazon, Colors, a workbook by Anne Kohlberg, who is highly regarded for her work in color pencils, but there's so much to learn about color. I got this on Amazon. It was $25, maybe a little bit more. And someone gave me a gift certificate, and I knew exactly what I was getting. I was getting this book, and let me tell you, it's so dense with information and how you, of course, color theory and how you perceive value, and how to mix and match color, that I have only gotten through a few pages. because it's like I have to keep going back over it and experimenting with my own line of color pencils, which I have a vast array of color pencils, and seeing how they transfer into what she's saying. So that was not a big deal for me, Rosa. You know, the fact that there's 2 DMC color codes that both say dark navy blue. I wonder if I have them right at my fingertips here. My husband just bought me this. He didn't buy it for me. It was something that he found, and he was like, my wife loves vintage furniture, so I'm going to bring this home to her. I know that this was one, 823. I literally just pulled them out. This is one color, and now when I'm looking at this, it looks like a navy blue, and I believe that the other color is here it is, 939. They look like the exact same colors. Now, I'm sure if it's not going to bother you, you could probably mix them all together, and that's fine. But I am going to use the 823 for the up symbol, and I am going to use the 939 for the equal symbol, and I'm so curious to see what they look like next to each other, and if there is a little bit of difference in the value of the color. So that's my 2 pennies worth on color. I'm getting ready for a whip and chat next, so I think what I want to do is stop this video and keep it separate from the whip, and I'll see you in a few seconds if you hang around for a new one. Bye.